Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore how you can earn money online. If you are looking for easy ways to start earning money from the comfort of your home, you are in the right place. Let's dive into it. There is a website called Freeworld, which is an exciting platform that lets you make money online through some tasks like installing apps, playing games, taking some surveys, etc. To get started, go to the browser that you like and in the search bar search for Freeworld and go to the website that will pop into the first place, and this type of interface will be shown. And here if you scroll all the way down, you can see the reviews of this website, and here you can see there is 4.2 rating on Trustpilot, so you can assume that it is a legit earning website, so you don't have to worry about that. And to sign up, you have to tap on sign up. And here you can sign up for Freeware with your Google account, or you can enter your email address and your display name, and you can create your password that you like and agree the conditions and tap and sign up. Then you'll be able to sign up for reward. Once you log into Freeware, then this type of dashboard will be opened. And here to start earning money, you have to tap on offer. And here, according to your device, you can choose your platform. I'm using my PC, so I'll choose desktop. And here you can see there are different offers from which you can earn money. Let's say I choose magical tiles. And here you can see the status of this game, and you can see the popularity rating also. And here you can see the offer category, which is games. And here you can see the offer provider, and here you can see some descriptions about the game. And here in the section of rewards you will see how you will get rewards. If I install this game and get 3 stars on 13 songs, then I'll get 7,088 cents, which is equivalent to $7.09. And here to earn money with this offer, you have to tap on continue the offer and install this game and complete all the tasks to get the reward. And here if you tap on earn, and you can see the offer providers, let's choose this one, and this type of website will be open, and from here you can earn more coin by taking some surveys and playing some games, etc. And if you scroll down, here you can see the surveys providers, and tap on any service providers and complete the surveys, then you'll be able to earn some money. And here you'll see many other offers that is popular in this website. Now let's tap on rewards. And here if you tap on claim, and you'll get some rewards. And here in the section of tasks, if you create a video and submit the link, then you'll get 1500 coin, which is equivalent to $1.5. And if you join their Discord, then you'll get 50 coins. And if you have any promo code, then you can enter your promo code and tap on claim, then you'll get some coins. And here if you maintain your daily streak, then you can earn money. And here let's tap onto the affiliates, and this type of interface will be shown. And here you can see your referral link, and you can share your referral link by tapping on share your link. And you can share your referral link to your friends and families, and if your friends sign up for free reward through your link, then you'll get some commission as a reward. And to withdraw your earnings, you have to tap on cash out. And here you can see you can withdraw your money as a cash in PayPal and as a cryptocurrency in Litecoin, Tron, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, or as a gift card into these various apps like Amazon, Roblox, Google Play, Netflix, Spotify, Microsoft, etc. But I do recommend PayPal because I think it is the most convenient withdrawal method for everyone. And when you have enough money to withdraw, then you can tap on PayPal and withdraw your money into your PayPal account. This is how you can earn money with this website. So that's it. If you are interested, sign up for Freework today and start earning money online. And if you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another video like this. Thanks for watching. Happy earning.